Hi there, I'm Dr. Jenni Skyler, and this is Savvy Sex in 60 Seconds. Today's episode is on anal sex aftercare tips. Obviously, it's very important to take care of your body and your anal area before and during anal sex. But after is also really important. So after, I want you to think about self-care and cleaning, right? The care and the cleaning are the two things you want to emphasize. Cleaning can happen in a bath or a shower. If you have a bath, that's preferable because you can accomplish both things at once. You can put some Epsom salts in your bathtub, relax, bliss out, and let the Epsom salt do all the care and cleaning you need. If you only have a shower, make sure you take a washcloth, preferably pretty soft, put a little soap on it, and just pat the area clean. Once you get out and dry off, you might need a little tiny little droplet of lube just to soften the area. And certainly relax. If you're feeling any inflammation, you might need a Tylenol or an ibuprofen, no big deal. And it might be a sign that you need to go a little slower and a little softer next time. All right, take care and clean after you have your anal play.